Hi, in this video we will quickly overview Leisure Time Bromine Startup Kit. What is Leisure Time Bromine Startup Kit? Leisure Time Bromine Startup Kit contains the essential products needed for bromine startup and maintenance. Contents: Leisure Time Brom Tabs, 3.5 Oz. Leisure Time Sodium Bromide, 2 Oz. Leisure Time Metal Gone, 16 Oz. Leisure Time Renew, 2.2 lb. Usage directions. Before using this product in your spa or hot tub for the first time, add a ½ ounce of sodium bromide per 100 gallons of water to establish a 30 ppm bromide concentration. Also, add sodium bromide at this dosage whenever the spa or hot tub is drained and refilled. The bromide addition ensures immediate establishment of an all-bromide system, eliminates chlorine's odors, and maximizes skin and eye comfort. Spa or hot tub startup. To start up a new spa or hot tub, or once recently drained, clean all surfaces, backwash or clean the filter, chemically balance the calcium hardness and total alkalinity, treat for meals if present, and adjust the pH to 7.2 to 7.8. Using a suitable feeder, adjust according to the manufacturer's directions. Add this product to maintain an active bromine concentrate of 2 to 4 ppm in residential spas. Use a reliable test kit to monitor bromine regularly. The product usage will typically vary from 0.15 to 0.10 pound for every 300 gallons of spa water to maintain the recommended bromine concentration range. The presence of organic debris, high bather use, and other factors may require a higher dosage. Superoxidation. Water-soluble, non-filterable wastes can accumulate in spa or hot tub water and cause dull or cloud water and can stimulate algae growth. Superoxidization or superchlorination with a suitable oxidizing shock treatment must be done on a regular basis to remove these wastes and maintain clear, sparkling water. Suitable oxidizing agents are those based on calcium hypochlorite, lithium hypochlorite, sodium hypochlorite, or potassium peroximinopersulfate. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.